Listen to how crispy this is. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking air fried crispy sesame chicken. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to do a light marinade on the chicken. I have with me over here one piece of boneless chicken thigh, approximately 220 grams, cut into small pieces like this. You add in half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, just half will do. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. You can get the ginger juice from grated ginger, just squeeze it up. 1/4 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. If you do not take alcohol, you can omit this, no problem at all. Add in also half an egg white from an egg. Mix this up well. And now add in 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch. Mix them up well again. After you have done with this, we will leave this in the fridge to marinate for half an hour. I'll see you back in a while. I've marinated the chicken for half an hour. Now we'll coat the chicken with corn flour before we air fry it. Make sure it's fully coated with the corn flour because we want the chicken to be as crispy as possible. Continue with the rest. After you have finished coating the chicken with the corn flour, let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before we air fry them so that the flour will stick onto the chicken better. I'll see you back in a while. Before I air fry the chicken, I will dab some oil over it. If you have an oil spray, then that will be so much easier. If not, you can do the same like what I do. Just lightly dab it with oil so that it will be crispy. Once you are done with this, we'll air fry our chicken. Now I'm going to place the chicken onto this attachment for the air fryer. It's a non-stick pan. If you do not have this, you can always use the basket that comes along with it, no problem at all. I'm going to air fry this in 2 batches because my air fryer is not big enough, but if your air fryer is big enough, just do it at one go. Now, we have already dabbed this part, so we place the part that we have dabbed down, okay? Because we need to dab the oil on the other side. Okay, now we dab the oil again. Just slightly dab it. Once you're done with this, we put this in the air fryer. Because the chicken are cut into very small pieces, we'll use 200 degrees Celsius at 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. The chicken is done. Let's have a look. Right, this is what we want. So now we proceed to put the dish together. Now we prepare the sauce. Heat up a pan. Add in 80 milliliters of water. Add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. 1 thumb size of ginger grated. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of honey. Reduce the heat a little if it is over boiling. We'll give the sauce a taste. Very nice. Now we just need to thicken this up with a little bit of cornstarch solution. Just a little bit will be fine. Right, this is how it looks like. Now we will turn off the flame, add our chicken in, give it a good toss. Now we add in our sesame seed. A very generous amount of sesame seed. I've toasted the sesame seed, so this will be really nice. Now we toss this again because you want them to be really coated with the sesame seed. One more time. Once we're done, we can serve this now. Okay, beautiful. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Listen to how crispy this is. Very flavorful. The honey, the soy, the ginger. Very, very good combination. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.